Who remembers Roop Unleashed? It was one of the best AI face swap tools for photos, videos, live webcam, and even multi-face swaps. What really made it stand out was its ability to use multiple reference images of the same person, producing far more accurate and consistent face swaps, almost like a trained DFM model, but without the time-consuming training process. Another feature that put Roop Unleashed ahead of its time was its occlusion masking. Whether the face was partially covered by text, glasses, hands, or other objects, it could preserve those occlusions naturally instead of replacing them, making the final result look far more realistic. On top of that, it included built-in face enhancers that further improved quality, something not many face swap tools could match. What I love most about Roop Unleashed is its live cam mode. It also offers original lip restoration, helping preserve more natural mouth movements during swaps. Best of all, it can output the processed video as a virtual webcam, allowing you to use your face swap feed in video calling apps and live streaming software. You can also make face sets or colorize pictures and videos and change styles. Now that you know why Roop Unleashed became a favorite among AI enthusiasts, if you enjoy AI tools like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started how you can get it and use it. You can get Roop Unleashed importable from Buy Me Coffee link in my description. Just download Extract and use it, no installation needed. Also check all the other tools in portable form. Once you download it, that will be a zip file around 8 GB. Extract it with 7-zip only. After extracting, go inside extracted folder there. You will see Run NVIDIA portable file, double click on it. That's it, it will launch, no installation. To use for face swap, upload one or more than one face pictures. Wait until it generate mask of it. Once mask generated, upload target picture or video. You can see face swap preview by clicking on this. Use occlusion or enhancers, that's up to you. Click Start to swap face. For video calling, you have to upload face picture here. Choose cam resolution if you got more than one cams and click Start. Since you already clicked on virtual cam, go to Instagram or Zoom. Use OBS virtual cam as your cam. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future AI tutorials. If you run into any issues during installation, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!